Another story for you today. You can see I have Pigeon sitting back here waiting for the story too. And this one is The Duckling Gets a Cookie. Hello. May I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all the nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Right now, I'm asking why? Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug, or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I ask to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? No. It's not fair. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially those with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. Oh, and another thing. Oh, what? You're giving me a cookie? With the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Chomp. That is one cool duckling. Chomp. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. The end.